थैंक्स मदन सर। क्योंकि यूपी की बात हो रही है और भारत के सबसे जनसंख्या वाले प्रांत को एक दिशा देने के लिए वी जस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट द IIT Mojo in the country. So similarly, we would now like to felicitate the former Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh, Alok Ranjan sir, for his immense contributions as the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh between June 2014 to 2016, including but not limited to the introduction of a work culture of accessibility, transparency, integrity and result orientation, leading to efficient and timely implementation of innumerable developmental projects like the Lucknow Metro Rail project, 302-kilometer long Lucknow-Agra Expressway. We are seeing a lot of expressway these days, but the kind of fundamental, as I said, governance is a very complex system. To make it streamlined, that is what Alok Ranjan sir, using his managerial and administrative wisdom, did. Gomti River Front, Lucknow IT City, energy sector reforms transforming UP from a power deficit state to one with 24 hours power supply in urban areas and 16 hours in rural areas. Samajwadi pension scheme covering 55 lakh families, Lohia village development scheme leading to all-round development of over 10,000 villages, Dial 108 program providing free ambulance service within 20 minutes anywhere across the state, and Dial 100 program ensuring police assistance within 15 minutes, Women Helpline 1090 to tackle harassment and crime against women. जैसा कि हमने पहले कहा कि we have the other IAS on the dais, the intellectuals, the academics, the scholars. So the other IAS really recognizing the IAS, the Indian Administrative Service, one of the top-notch performing officers out there, Alok Ranjan sir. तो मैं पूरे मन से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो आलोक रंजन सर का सम्मान करें. Sir, please. Sir,
ever smiling, na?
So much for the next. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Request a few words from you, sir, from the stage itself. Be seated there itself on the stage dais. Please, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, please be seated there.
सर प्लीज भी सीट रहो दाएं से
वहाँ से
वहीं से बोल दीजिए सर और ऐसे में
Thank you very much. Luminaries on the dais and distinguished guests. I'm really humbled, truly humbled, and deeply honored also to receive this award today from this Rethink India organization, this celebrity set of awards. I take it as a great recognition for whatever I did during my career, and it gives me a great sense of satisfaction that people outside the system who have recognized that some kind of contribution I have been able to make to the lives of the people. Well, to begin with, let me say something that I'm also very happy that this award is named after Mr. T.N. Seshan, because I have not worked with him directly, but I was a district magistrate in several districts when Mr. Seshan was the CEC, and he implemented his electoral reforms, and I was part of that whole team implementing those reforms. And my God, the way he did it, there is no equaling of it. His personality and the way he pushed those reforms through, even though he did not have the powers on paper, but just by the dint of his personality and force of his personality, he was able to push those electoral reforms through. And today, I think our democracy owes a lot to him. Our whole electoral system, if it is so free and fair, and we are still a surviving democracy, a lot of it, the credit must go to Mr. T.N. Seshan. So I feel greatly humbled to get this award in the name of Mr. Seshan also. Just as somebody mentioned in the beginning, that yes, just to talk about public service, getting this award for public service, I did my MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, and as you know, after that, we immediately get a very nice placement. And I got a very good placement and went to Mumbai. But then, I suddenly realized that this is not where I want to be. And I got an inner calling. And when the inner calling came to me, I took a very, very, what to say, a rash decision or an important decision or a life-changing decision. I resigned. I resigned and took up a Parsati in Defense Colony here, stayed here for 6 months and wrote the IAS. And was fortunately to get through so that gave me an opportunity. I must say my career of 38 years in the IAS, and thank God for that. It gave me an opportunity to really do something for the people of this country, and it gave me immense satisfaction. So, now, right from the beginning and the end of my career, you mentioned many projects which I implemented, Lucknow Agra Expressway, Lucknow Metro, or many others which I did. They had given me intense satisfaction. But more than that, जो मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा आप लोगों से, जो सबसे ज़्यादा संतुष्टि या satisfaction मुझे मिला, that was when I would sit and meet the ordinary people of this country, be accessible to them, and try and solve their problems in a responsive manner. You know, and the smile on the face of those people. That was every day I used to get a reward that day when they would smile when something got done and their problems got solved. और सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा आज भी मुझे होती है मुझे रिटायर हो गए almost 9 years हो गए हैं and now there is nothing I can do to anybody that way I'm not in a position of power that way though I'm writing, reading, doing academics, everything but still I'm not in a position of power आज भी लोग आते हैं मुझसे मिलने और आके मैं जानता भी नहीं हूँ उनको पहचानता नहीं हूँ और वो कहते हैं कि साहब आपने हमारे जीवन में ये बदलाव लाए थे आपने हमारे लिए ये किया था जब हम बहुत मुसीबत में थे तो आपने हमारा ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया था एंड दे कम कभी कभी घर से छोटी सी अचार की शीशी लेके आ जाते हैं कि हम गांव से आपके लिए लेके आए कभी कुछ लेके आ जाते हैं एंड आई फील सो हैप्पी विद दैट यू नो दैट गिव्स vindicates that whatever I did for 38 years has not gone waste I don't know those people I don't remember them at all but I tried to serve the people without looking which political party they belong to which caste they belong to which community they belong to whether they're rich or poor it didn't matter even as chief secretary of a state like Uttar Pradesh as you know the population of 240 million I could find time, Anil will vouch for that. Between 3:30 and 4:30 every afternoon, I used to meet the ordinary people without a pass system. Pass system ही खत्म कर दिया था मैंने. कोई भी व्यक्ति चाहे रिक्शे वाला हो, चाहे कोई भी हो वो आके मुझसे मिल सकता था. खाली सिक्योरिटी की चेक होता था, बाकी कोई पास सिस्टम नहीं था. वो आके मिलता था. और मैं अपनी समस्या को कहीं हल करने की पूरी प्रयास करता था, कोशिश करता था. तो ये मेरा एक पूरा वो रहा. I just try to say that whatever I tried to do in my life was just to make a difference to the lives of the people as much as possible. To touch as many lives as possible. हर घर में अगर कुछ खुशहाली ला सकें, कुछ बदलाव ला सकें, लोगों के जीवन के स्तर में कुछ बदलाव ला सकें, improve the quality of the people. That was the dream, that was my idea for which आपने बड़ा अच्छा कहा शुरू में मैं आया था जब सुन रहा था कि कई लोग IIT के जो खड़ते हैं जो कि they did everything but समाज सेवा. तो I remember यही लोग तो और important होते हैं जीवन में, जो idealist होते हैं. हमारे आय में भी एक होते तो कहा जाता था being foolish and being poor that is the kind of thing you choose a career in being foolish because if you don't want to be materialistic you don't want to earn money you choose to be foolish but you need such foolish people to contribute to society you know because they are the people who give a vision to the society they give a direction to the society without that the country will not move forward and now when we want to dream about to develop India I think this is all the more important that civil servants and public servants they have a great role in contributing to this development. Governance reforms are perhaps the most important reforms required, and the main thing I look at it now, they should be not process-oriented but result-oriented, outcome-oriented. They should deliver results to the people of this country. The people feel that difference to their lives is being made. हमें क्या चाहिए? एक खुशहाल हिंदुस्तान चाहिए, a happy India, and this is the dream that you and I both share, and let us hope that this is where the country will move forward. With these words, thank you very much.
Thanks.